He is thinking of you right now, giving you conflicting signals and ignoring you, but deep down, he wants to talk to you incessantly. He was about to send you a shocking message, but you didn't skip this video. Believe me, he's crazy in love with you. You should use this energy now to claim it. If you use this sound now and keep it private, he will send you a shocking message in the next few hours. Delete it, and you will experience a huge surprise in 20 minutes. He will show you that he is ready to take things seriously and commit to living this life.